guys. Let's go to my team. Yeah, the video that I tried to upload is uploaded. Today, yeah, again, it's like been 1 hour since I uploaded that video. But let's just get to Roblox again. We're gonna try to beat. What shall we try today? Let's try this difficulty chart obby. I know all difficulty charts obbies are hard. Okay. What? I played this before? No, I did not. Did I? I did not play this. What? Wait, I did. I did play it. I just didn't remember. Let's just... one billion visits. Good. No, and it's not there. Let's watch YouTube videos. This is a YouTube episode once again. Now I want to watch my brother's videos. Roblox man location. What? What is this? I can't hear. Oh, a Nintendo DS. Now we can hear. This guy plays. One string they put. What just happened? Animal Crossing. Okay, that's a game anyways. 2 weeks later. He's looking at the back. Yeah, they're made in China. Oh my god, this is loud! He drew it. What? What is quarantine though? It's like so loud. Okay. Let's just watch this. So it's Skype. What the? No. No, that's just too loud. Oh, that's too loud.
Qué bien.
importante no es saber. ¿Sí? Lo importante no es saber, tener el teléfono del que sabe. Yo sé que es más importante tener el teléfono del que sabe que saber.
Sí. Ay, mira, deja eso, Tata, que esa forma mucha embarrazón. Te vas a embarrar mucho las manitas, no juegues con eso. Juega con otra cosa, ¿ves? Con otra cosa.
Así que métele duro a Fibonacci, que ya llamaré
Sí.
a la que sabe. Oye, analiza, métele, que estoy dudoso. Métele Fibonacci por la cabeza ahí.
Mira, busca otra cosita. Mira, mía. Mira, lindo. Coge esto, ¿no?
Okay, let's just end the video.